In today's session, we are going to find the particular solution of the given differential equation. Hi, I am Syed. Welcome to my channel Educate with Syed. Let's get started. So the question is, for the differential equation, find the particular solution satisfying the given condition. So the differential equation is x into x square minus 1 into dy by dx is equals to 1, and the conditions are y is equals to 0 when x is equals to 2. Let us try to solve this problem by using variable separable method. So let this differential equation be written as x into x square minus 1 times of dy is equals to, cross multiply the dx on the other side, get equals to dx, or dy will be equals to dx, get all the x on one side, cross multiply, it is divided by x into x square minus of 1. We see that the variables are separated. Now let us try to integrate it. It is integral of dy is equals to, it is integral of dx by x into x square minus of 1. This integral of dy is y is equals to, you have this as integral of dx by x into x square minus of 1 plus the constant of integration c. Now we need to evaluate this one using the partial fraction method. So let me take this as equation number 1. We will try to evaluate this separately. So to evaluate this integral dx by x into x square minus of 1. So let us try to use the partial fraction method. Use partial fraction method. Use partial fraction method. So let us consider only this expression as 1 by x into x square minus of 1. So I can rewrite this as 1 by x into. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square, which can be written as a minus of b into a plus b. Here this x minus 1 and x plus 1, all the three are linear terms. Therefore you can use the partial fraction here. It is a by x plus b by x minus of 1 plus c by x plus 1. Now let us try to take the LCM over here. LCM that we have is x into x minus of 1 into x plus 1. On this left hand side, this value will remain the same, x into x minus 1 into x plus 1. Now how to write down this value? So a value as it is. Now just try to check the denominator of this a as well as the whole of the LCM. You can see you have x over here. So just try to eliminate this x value and write down the remaining terms. Like you have x minus of 1 into x plus 1 plus b into. Again you try to observe this denominator has x minus 1. Here also you have x minus of 1. You eliminate this x minus of 1, write down the remaining terms that are there here. It is x into x plus 1 plus, here again it is c by x plus 1. You can just eliminate this x plus 1 and this x plus 1, write down the remaining terms, that is c times of x into x minus of 1. Now you can just cancel out this denominator values. You'll just be left out with 1 is equals to a times of x minus of 1 into x plus 1 plus bx into x plus 1 plus cx into x minus of 1. Now let us try to find out these values of a, b and c. For that, let me take this as equation number 2 and let me take this as equation number 3. So let us put the value of x to be equals to. So you see that you have x minus 1, x plus 1 values and x values. you can make any 1 to be 0 over here. Suppose if I put x to be 1 here, 1 minus 1 will become 0. So let's put x as 1 over here. So put x as 1 in this equation, you will be getting 1 is equals to a into x value is what? 1. So 1 minus 1, however, it will become 0 here. So 1 plus 1 plus b into x value is 1, x value is 1, so plus 1 plus c into x value is 1 into 1 minus of 1. So we see that this 1 minus of 1, this becomes 0. Here 1 minus of 1, this becomes 0. So you are left out with 1 is equals, this entire term is 0. You can just ignore this one. So we have b times of 1 plus 1 will be 2. So b times of 2. And the last term is also 0. So you can simplify this one. 1 is equals to, it's 2 times of b, it is 2b. You can just cross multiply this value. You have 1 by 2 is equals to b. So we have got the first value. The value of b to be equals to 1 by 2. Now further go back to this equation number 3. The next term that you are having is x plus 1. So let's try to make this x plus 1 as 0. So for that I have to put the value of x to be equals to minus of 1. So minus 1 plus 1 will become 0. Put the value of x to be equals to minus of 1 in equation number 3. So we get 1 is equals to a into x value is minus 1 minus of 1 into x value is minus 1 and then plus 1 you have plus b into x value is minus of 1. Here x value is minus 1 plus 1 plus c into x value is minus of 1. Here also x value is minus 1 minus of 1. We see that this minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled, minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. So this term becomes 0 and this also will become 0. So you have 1 is equals to, this has completely become 0. The second term has completely become 0. You are left out with c into minus of 1. This minus 1 will be minus of 2. Or 1 is equals to, just ignore this 0. So c times of minus into minus will become plus. So 1 times of 2 you just have 2. So hence we have 1 is equals to 2 times of c. You cross multiply the 2, it becomes 1 by 2 is equals to c. Therefore, we have got the value of c to be equals to 1 by 2. So c value has been obtained. Now we need to find out the value of a. So go back to this expression. We have used x minus 1, we have used x plus 1. So you have x over here. Suppose if you put the value of x as 0, b term will become 0 and c term will become 0. You will be left out only with a, and we can find out the value of a. Put the value of x to be 0 in equation number 3. 1 is equals to, it is a into x minus 1 it is. So 0 minus of 1, and then you have x plus 1. So 0 plus 1 plus, it is b times of x value is 0. So 0 into anything will be 0 itself. Plus c times of x is there, x is 0. 0 into anything will be 0 itself. So let us try to simplify this one. 1 is equals to a times of 0 minus of 1 is just minus of 1. 0 plus 1 is just 1 here. The next two terms are 0. You can just ignore those 0 values. So 1 is equals to minus 1 times of a is minus of a. Or if you just try to multiply by minus of 1 on both sides, so I am multiplying by minus, it becomes minus of 1. I am multiplying by minus over here, minus of minus will become plus a. Therefore, we have got the value of a to be equals to minus of 1. Therefore, equation number 2 implies 1 by x into x square minus of 1 is equals to minus 1 by x half by x minus of 1. C value is also half. It is half divided by x plus 1. Now let's try to integrate this one. Integral of 1 by x into x square minus of 1 times of dx is equals to, minus I'll take outside, is integral of 1 by x into dx plus, you can take half outside, apply the integral of 1 by x minus of 1 into dx plus half is outside, then we have integral of 1 by x plus 1 into dx. So if you try to apply the integral over here, it is integral of 1 by x into dx is nothing but log of mod x plus half times of integral of 1 by x minus of 1 will be log of mod x minus of 1 plus half times of, again integral of 1 by x plus 1 will be log of mod x plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. Since in these two terms we have half, let us try to get half over here so that we can take half common outside. So therefore in first term we'll try to multiply and divide by 2. So therefore it becomes minus, it is 2 by 2, multiply and divide by 2. Then you have log of mod x plus half times of log of mod x minus of 1 plus half times of log of mod x plus 1 plus the constant c. So if I remove half outside, I will be left out with minus 2 log of mod x plus log of mod x minus of 1 plus log of mod x plus 1 plus the constant c. This will be equals to 1 by 2 times of. Further simplify this one as log of, this minus of 2 will become the power, it becomes x power of minus of 2. Now since we know this property, log m power of n will be equals to n log of m. So here the expression is in the form of n log of m, so that can be written as log m power of n. So therefore we can see that this value is nothing but your n and this value is nothing but your m. So therefore we can write as log x power of minus of 2 plus, we have one more property, log m plus log n. Log m plus log n can be written as log m into n. Log m into n. This is in the form of log m plus log n, so that can be written as log m into n. So therefore it is log of x minus of 1 into x plus 1. It's mod of that particular value plus the constant c, or we can rewrite that as half times of log of x power of minus of 2 can be written as 1 by x square plus, this is nothing but log of, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which can be written as a square minus of b square plus the constant c. Or further we can simplify this one, 1 by 2. Once again it is in the form of log m plus log n, which can be written as log m into n. So you can write it as log of m into n. So it becomes x square minus of 1 divided by x square plus the constant of integration c. So we have done the entire process just to evaluate this integral. Therefore we know that this integral is nothing but y value. So this entire integral is the y value over here. So let us replace this integral value, or we shall substitute this integral value back over here in equation number 1, which is y value. Therefore can I write this integral value as y. This entire integral value is nothing but y. So therefore what we have evaluated is, we have evaluated the value of y. which is from equation number 1. So this value of y has been obtained from equation number 1. This can be further written as 1 by 2. It is log of x power of minus 2 can be written as 1 by x square, and mod is there, so it is mod of 1 by x square plus log of mod. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which will be a square minus of b square form, plus the constant c. It is again in the form of log m plus log n, which can be written as log m into n, which is 1 by 2 times of, it is log of m into n, so it is mod of x square minus of 1 divided by what? Divided by x square plus the constant of integration c. This integral value from equation number 1, this integral value is nothing but y, so you can replace that by y. Hence we get the value of y to be equals to so much, but we need to find out this constant c by using the condition that is given. So what is given to us? So put the value of y to be equals to, y is given as 0 when the value of x is equals to 2. Let us take this as equation number 4. So y is 0 here is equals to 1 by 2 times of, we have log of mod x value is 2, so 2 square minus of 1 divided by 2 square plus the constant c, or 0 is equals to 1 by 2 times of, we have log of mod 2 square is 4, 4 minus 1 will be 3, so it is 3 by 2 square will be 4 plus c. This can be rewritten as 1 by 2 because they are positive values. You can just write without mod, it is 3 by 4 plus c. You send this value on the side, we get minus 1 by 2, it is log of 3 by 4 is equals to c. Therefore we have got the value of c to be equals to minus 1 by 2 times of, it is log of 3 by 4. Now just substitute this value of c back over here in equation number 4. So substitute c in equation number 4. So we get y to be equals to 1 by 2 times of log of mod x square minus of 1 divided by x square plus c. So c value is minus 1 by 2 times of log of 3 by 4. That is the required solution. So that's all I have for today. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.